Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Hazel Perolino, 42 years old from the Philippines. I am widow. I have two children. One is 22 years old, my eldest daughter, and the other one is 21 years old, my youngest. I am applying as domestic helper. I have experience in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, and my duties and responsibilities is cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and taking care of children. I am also skilled in caring of elderly. I can assist with their personal care and all daily needs. I can also take care of this. I am hardworking, honest, and patient. I learn fast and follow instruction well. I can understand and speak English. I am ready to work diligently and faithfully for your family. Thank you very much.